Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Tris Fulton in Canva 3 Tips and Hacks Facebook group. How to turn this text into white color. Alright, so first I will copy this image and go to my Canva. I will choose YouTube thumbnail size. First I will change the page background to other color like this purple, and I will paste this image here and then choose BG remover. Go to apps, type 1, choose one color, click this icon, change the color to white, turn on this full opacity, click apply effects. Click here, go to edit, choose image upscaler. I will choose 4 time and click upscale. Click replace. Now you have it. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.